we were trying to do, or what we did, is weld the same way we always do with this aluminum. You don't have to have like a TIG welder, especially with this size of aluminum. You just don't need it. You could actually use an arc welder to weld aluminum. And I'll just show you some of the work here. Of course, it's coated with salt right now, but underneath that salt is a really clean weld. I'll show you some of the welds that I obviously cleaned the salt off of. Like here, I mean, I could take you around the whole thing and show you the welds. I mean, especially on the rear control arms, I'm kind of proud of those if you can see them. All done the same way. And this is steel attached to aluminum. And here's the hinge point. And if we look at it from the front, there's not much to see except you can see the outline. And the reason there's so much camber right now is because I don't have the alignment adjusted at all. There's no springs in the front, and the connections are just made with regular bolts for the time being because it has to be able to be moved around to work on. And I used really lightweight tires and wheels. 16 by 6 is the inches for the tires, and 8-inch wheels. Wanted to get aluminum, but it seems like I couldn't find enough aluminum wheels for this for some reason. And there we go. All of this and much more to come. Stay tuned.